Good morning, everyone. Today discuss about petroleum refining and petrochemicals. આજનો ટોપિક છે occurrence of petroleum and origin organic theories ના બેસિસ પર આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. ઓકે, તો પેટ્રોલિયમ અકર્સ યાની કે ગરમ પાણીનો જે છે પદાર્થ સમ પેટ્રોલિયમ જે લેબોરેટરીના વર્ક પર થશે એના બેસિસ પર આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું કે પેટ્રોલિયમ અકર્સ ઇન ધ અર્થ ક્રસ્ટ in all possible state and varies in color form for light brown to dark brown or black existing and luminous in some cases. It is a mixture of various hydrocarbons and a homogeneous series na basis par છે. Okay, now simple discussion for occurrence of petroleum in the earth crust in all possible state and they varies in a color from light brown to dark brown or black exhibiting luminous in some cases. It is a mixture of various hydrocarbons of a homogeneous series, namely paraffinic, naphthenes and aromatic. Thus the main element are the carbon 84 to 86 percentage and hydrogen 11 to 14 percentage and other elements oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur rarely constitute about 8 percentage including different metals in a trace. Petroleum is a more homogeneous than coal and occurs mostly is a sedimentary rocks na basis par છે. Again repeated, this is a occurrence and a formation na basis par જોઈશું આપણે. is a petroleum occurs in the simply earth crust. Okay, in all possibility state and the varies in a color from light brown to dark brown or black existing luminous in some cases. It is a mixture of various hydrocarbon of a homogeneous series, namely paraffinic, naphthenes and aromatic. Thus the main element are the C84 to 86 percentage and hydrogen 11 to 14 percentage and other elements જે છે કયા કયા ઓક્સિજન, નાઇટ્રોજન અને સલ્ફર rarely constitute about 8 percentage including different metals in a trace. Petroleum is more homogeneous than the coal and occurs mostly in a sedimentary rocks na basis par છે. Now the scientists till now are entangled with the problem of explaining successfully the origin and formation of huge hydrocarbon deposits and notably a sound theory has yet to be evolved when the Mendeleev and the Berthollet were caught up with the idea of explaining some reasons for such deposits. Their explanation was based upon the inorganic reactions, mainly on the activity of acetylene series. Some carbide produce hydrocarbon when reacted when reacted with water, such as the calcium carbide no reactions છે. એના બેઝિસ પર જોવાનું છે આપણે 2 moles of hydrocarbons and the C2NH2 C calcium hydroxide. ઓકે, આ આપણે મોસ્ટ ઓફલી જોઈ ગયા છે પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં. મેં આપણે જોવાનું છે ઓર્ગેનિક થિયરીઝ. ધીસ ઇઝ ધ મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ઓર્ગેનિક થિયરી જોઈશું આપણે. The Engler was of the opinion that the large marine animals, which is the global in the historic days of were the main fat contributors after the natural existence of this mammals, the body fat was slowly converted to hydrocarbon as per his version, but the laboratory experiment related the conversion. And some fat by the hydrolysis yield only acid and hot hydrocarbon gases. Further, the super springly no oil well was ever sighted, with any fossil remains of the such animals. This is how the long fluorized hope of this natural fat, and the theory had to be given up. There are other schools of throughout concerning the origin and formation of petroleum, some of which is listed as the below. This one. Okay. The view of natural naphtha be a product of actions upon the vegetable matters of high temperature. Okay, and the when the plant becomes entirely decomposed into the vegetable modules, this contained certain oils which escaped the decompositions, suggested an actions of natural heat of earth on a coil, and Popov shows that the methane could be produced by decomposition of the cellulose. Pope the Cellier in 1886 showed that the bacteria could be produced the methane, as is ever evident in a swampy areas, or discovered some of the plant pigments and biological matters. Okay, this is a overall discussion. મેઇન જોઈશું આપણે this one, origin and formation. The scientists till now are entangled with the problem of explaining successfully the origin and formation ના basis પર છે of a huge hydrocarbon deposits, and notably a sound theory has yet to be evolved, and the Mendeleev work out of the idea of explaining reasons for such deposit. Their explanation was based upon the inorganic reactions, mainly on the activity of acetylene series and some carbide produced છે. Some reactions એના બેસિસ પર આપણે જોઈશું. આ જે reactions છે તે તમે ખાસ લખી લો. This one. Okay, this is some two reactions for calcium carbide react hydrogen of water and produce the calcium hydroxide, and second one reactions Al4C3 any aluminum carbide reaction to the water and the methane produced to the aluminum hydroxides. Assuming the availability of such carbide in earth crust, they arrived at this axioms. In fact, the deposits of such magnitudes could never the balance with these ideas, and the cosmic hypothesis of these reactions. Okay, main આપણે following observation ના point જોવાના છે. This one. This is the inorganic basis of the petroleum formation had to be given up in a favor of organic theory due to the following observation and fact as enumerated by these human. The homogeneous series present in a petroleum are found only in organic matters. The nitrogen compound in petroleum, especially plant derived propellants, and comprise a very small amount of the significance is immense in the formation of petroleum from life sources. And the range of the radioisotopes of carbon C12 and C13 is within the range of the natural carbonaceous material and not from inorganic, as they do not have any chances to absorb the radioactivity, optical activity, and the prerequisite of normal organisms is exhibited by the some petroleum. And petroleum formation is a result of a low temperature activity only. The petroleum is always associated with the sedimentary rocks and react some formation to the not with igneous rocks. Small quantities of petroleum hydrocarbon in a recent sediment suggests that the formation of petroleum is a normal constitute and does not require any sub psychochemical conditions. Most organisms like diatoms are found in a petroleum. Okay, this is a following observation point. Now the important is the organic theory. Okay, organic theory માં શું છે? Simply is a laboratory work. And the opinion the large marine animals which debate on the global in the prehistoric days were the main fat contributes. After the natural existence of this mammoths, the contributors body fat was slowly converted to hydrocarbon as per these versions of the laboratory experiment. Okay, this is a laboratory experiment revealed find a conversion, also yield and some selectivity. The acid is not a hydrocarbon gases. The further the surprising no oil well was ever cited with any fossil remains of the such animals. This is how the long fluorized the hope of this natural fat theory had to be given up. There are other schools of thoughts concerning the origin and formation. Petroleum listed as this one. This one is a biological method માં જોઈશું આપણે. All the biological methods are governed by the sources and environmental, such as the by presentation and preparations of a hydrocarbon synthesized by the source sediment organisms, biological reductions, anaerobic or aerobic. Source being the fatty acid and protein and amino acids for a carbohydrate. Biological and physical methods such as the by condensation of bacterially and some produce methane under the high pressure and temperature in the presence of the catalyst by bacterial modification and a sedimentation process. From API grade यानी कि American Petroleum Institute completely relate to the transformation of organic material into petroleum. For this report microbiological processes and the some bacteria described by this scientist name And the Zobel can survive the infect in all the critical conditions from 0 to 85 degrees Celsius under the extreme pressures up to 10,000 kg per centimeter square, and also at well depth of 10,462 meters. For any laboratory test confirm this lipoclastics. Enablers have to the capacities of the splitting along the chain hydrocarbon on a shorter chain average per chain. Okay, this is a simply biological method. Thank you so much. Okay, this is simply આપણે જોયું organic occurrence of the petroleum. Okay, all the carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen percentage wise આપણે જોયું. So thank you so much.